Hey there, listen, if you are a clean freak like me, you need a good pair of quality gloves. Now, each family typically needs about 3 different types of cleaning gloves. You need one for the kitchen, one for the bathroom, and one for doing dishes or even laundry too. I don't know about you, but I hate it when I get gloves and I'm cleaning and they get holes poked into them or they rip somehow. I'm telling you what, with BOOMJOY's gloves, you can get these off of Amazon. They are great. Let me tell you a little bit about them. Now first, this is a pack of 3. And the thing that I like about these versus any other kind is they are really, really durable. These are from great, hard, durable material. They're anti-skid. They have nice little ridges here. You can tell, guys, this is already a nice, thick piece of material. This is not gonna stretch or rip if I'm pulling on it like this. The other thing I wanna tell you about, this is cut resistant. So if you're using it, you're gonna cut something up, like say a tomato in your hand, you can go like this and look, nothing is even happening when I'm cutting this, guys. Now, this is gonna be really great as I'm going through the dishes. If I have, or let's say I'm in the bathroom, cleaning with harsh chemicals, this is gonna really protect my hands. It's a really great product as I'm holding on to these sticky, these slippery plates. No problem, and I can hold them without even worrying about having them drip or fall. Now, this is a great product. I love them. I love cleaning. You guys go out and find some. I know you're gonna like it.